Top stories. No plan for change of guard in Bahrain government, says Minister Radheshyam. MPDF questions competence of committee constituted to probe financial irregularities. Many in hill districts do not enjoy benefits of government-sponsored health schemes. Hello and good evening, I'm ONEL Sambandhuram giving you the Times of Manipur English News. There is no plan for change of guard in the BJP-led coalition government in Manipur and that the current political tussle will be resolved soon. Education Minister and government spokesperson T.H. Radheshyam has stated today. He was talking to newsmen at Imphal International Airport where he arrived from New Delhi. It may be noted that several ministers and MLAs are currently camping in the national capital, meeting BJP leadership to find a way out of the leadership crisis, overdraft issue and the anticipated ministry reshuffle. Under pressure, Chief Minister N. Biren is also now in New Delhi. He has met Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other ministers in the national capital. The government spokesperson T.H. Radheshyam further rejected the reports in the media that several ministers and MLAs are camping in New Delhi, saying that the leaders are there for their personal works. Against the backdrop of the dissent within the state government, efforts are on to diffuse the situation with intervention of the central leadership. There is no question of change of guard, he iterated.
I think there is no crisis. There is some difference of opinion, and we are trying to resolve the differences of opinion. You see, BJP is a national party. We have a philosophy, we have ideology. It's a strong organization, and we have a state leader, then regional like Northeast in charge, then the national level leader. So we will, it will be resolved at the national level if there is any problem. And we expect very soon the government will become more efficient, will work more efficiently, and there will be no problems.
MLA Rajain, who also returned to Imphal from New Delhi, also expressed hope that the current political situation will be diffused soon. The state government is still intact and that there is no question for change of guard.
Hanjangedra Hanjaloidra, my Magi Popilo Karitor Kataki, I have to the Yana Romatung, the settled or program. Central Tangarang, Honorable Chief Minister, Prime Minister Unagre, Adagi Ramado Unagre, Adagi Niramal Sitaramal Unagre, Nasina Amisa, Adagi Defense Minister, Rajnath Unagre, Aduna Mayamdu, Loina, Unadana, Yam Tuna, Solusalama Poraga Yamna. Stable loiba sarkar ama loina na prajagi damakta ekoi thabak tonaba development wal bada sanction nabagi damakta ngasi nomni sida ekoi soidana ta loisalani haibagi thajabadu ekoi yamna le.
Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren met with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman separately yesterday and appraised them of the financial situation of the state resulting from the ban imposed by the RBI on drawals from the Treasury. According to sources, the Chief Minister also requested them that government may be given the flexibility to decide the quantum of borrowings under open market borrowings within the overall ceiling fixed by the Finance Ministry. N. Biren, who also attended the 5th Governing Council meeting of NITI Ayog chaired by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi yesterday, deliberated various issues including water problems in Manipur. Manipur People's Democratic Front MPDF has questioned the competence of the inquiry committee headed by Principal Secretary V. Vumlunmang as chairman, which has been constituted to probe the financial irregularities. Addressing media at Manipur Press Club Imphal, MPDF Secretary Sapam Samungo said probing the financial irregularities by the WIC committee will not serve any purpose. Instead, a high-level committee headed by the retired judge of High Court should be constituted under the Commission of Inquiry Act 1952 for a thorough probe, he demanded. He said it is unfortunate that the lawmakers are busy in power tussle rather than joining hands for ensuring welfare of the state at the crucial juncture. It should not be forgotten that the president's rule is imposed under Article 355 in the state. The leaders will be left powerless.
74 crore divisit tare haidana sarkar sigi manungda chief minister na cabinet minister works finance na maran siba adagi finance na works na chief minister na maran siba amana amabu maran sinadana leireba Manipur bibandu wondi frangi mai dagi thamjari badi ngasagi maran siri basa masi amana amada maran sibam thokte aduga masigi Lupa crore 274 crore se si divisit abagi daita se council minister cabinet mantri tarama thoi including CM moi taragani thoina daita logadamni adugi mathakta hena responsibility fixed togadadi kanan wai matana finance puriba principal secretary or commissioner or under secretary deputy secretary under regi SO finance ki puriba staff sing ado more responsibility fixed over the.
On the other hand, MPDF also urged the government to initiate steps to provide unemployment allowance to unemployed youths who have completed 10th standard and graduation so that they can get assistance to stand on their own feet, expressing the desire of the party that class 10 and 12 completed youths be provided with Rs 2,000 per month and graduate or postgraduate completed youths with Rs 3,000. Sapam Samungo maintained that by doing so, the popular saying, youths are the pillar of the nation, would be meaningful.
Unique oiba ko youth singa se maseda mogi encourage oiba adum scheme paikat pa matamda Manipura sahi kungi matungda prithvi da top shanti leiba chaukat pa talented oiba youth mayamam leine ba naharul gi oiba sanabagi kari scheme mayamama paikat le however unemployment oiraba youth thona leiraba yamni skillful oiba aduguma youth singa se sigi damakta di ngasi bawi manungda bharat sarkar na su bharat ki oina paikhatte aduga manipur su manipur gi oina masi bawnda matam leikiba manipur sarkar na paikhatte aduna koi gi manipur democratic front gi mai gai dagi manipur sarkar da appeal tawjari.
In connection with a fake news circulated on social media over one Mansur Alam claiming himself as the official spokesperson of Chief Minister N. Biren, a press release from the Chief Minister's Secretariat today clarified the general public that neither the Chief Minister nor the Chief Minister's office, Manipur, has any official spokesperson. It also stated that Mansur Alam has no connection with the functioning of departments of the Chief Minister. Despite Chief Minister Haksel Tengbang and Ayushman Bharat PMJAY sponsored by state and the central governments respectively, which provide free medical assistance amounting up to Rs 5 lakh, many patients in the hill districts do not enjoy the benefits of the scheme due to lack of knowledge and proper guidance. Tom TV brings you an exclusive report on one patient from Mukti Namdai village of Nungba subdivision under Tamenglong district of Manipur.
A 22-year-old girl reading in class 12 arts at Bishnupur Higher Secondary School is a daughter of late Tadunglung Kamai and Sikimlui Kamai of Mukti Namdai village, situated at about 150 kilometers from Imphal in the southern part of Manipur. Her mother, Sikimlui Kamai, lamented that life took a sudden twist for the poor family when Kungliangliu Kamai was diagnosed with a brain illness when she was just 12 years old. In spite of her physical condition, she is a hard-working and dedicated girl to her parents and teachers, she added. Due to poverty, her daughter did not get timely proper medical treatment. her condition is getting worse day by day, lamented her mother.
My daughter starts showing symptoms like headache, numbness and vomiting. She has been experiencing bad headache roughly twice a year for the last 12 years. The worst condition happened when she was writing her class 12 exam on the second day.
When she was taken to RIMS, Imphal on 26 October 2018, doctor at RIMS Hospital confirmed a serious brain illness and referred her to Adarsh Laboratory at Porompat, Imphal East for CT scan and MRI. After the test, the family was told that she needs to undergo operation and that will cost at least rupees 4 to 5 lakhs. After a series of treatments in and outside the state hospitals, including Gungur in Silchar Medical College and Negrims in Shillong, the illness could not be cured. Doctors at various hospitals have advised for her early operation, but the family is still unable to bear the cost for the surgery.
Doctors at Negrims advised to take medicine for 1 month as she could not be operated anytime soon. But her condition worsened after completing the month-long course. She begins to throw tantrum every now and then. Therefore, we have to sometimes chain her up.
Her younger sister, Gailum Liu Kamei, who got first division in HSLC examination this year, also expressed sadness over her sister's illness.
Aisu handaki matric exam thabada first di lawe adubu aikhoi iche nabadina matha chathaningai ngamdraga laibane aduna miyamna nuksibiragam mateng pangbiningai hajabne.
Today, Kungliang Liu Kamei is administered by a religious prayer team at Kamu Koireng Primary Health Subcenter at Cycle Subdivision of Senapati District, waiting for the blessing from the Almighty. The last hope of the family is a miracle to heal her. The family also urged the government, related departments, civil society organizations, and every noble individual to extend any kind of assistance to the family, to save the precious life of a young and bright girl before it is too late.
A team of Imphal West Commando apprehended 2 cadres of the proscribed group RPF-PLA last evening. The arrested cadres have been identified as 27-year-old Oinam Umajit, son of late Oinam Deven of Ithai Bajar Maninglaikai, who is presently staying at Kaisamthong Toplerak, Imphal, and Mohammed Saddam, aged 26 years, son of Mohammed Abdul Kalam from Moray Forest Gate. Police sources said that on receiving a reliable information about presence of some suspected incidents in the surrounding area of Uripok Rims Road, a team of Imphal West Commando rushed there and managed to nab Oinam Ojit in front of Subah Hospital. On his disclosure, Mohammed Saddam was later arrested from Porompat Thawan Thabalerak. On further interrogation by the cops, it was learned that the arrested cadres work for recruitment of new cadres of the outfit. They recruited a person earlier and handed him to a self-styled captain of the outfit named Pravin. The cops also recovered 2 mobile phones, 1 Aadhaar card, 1 PAN card and 1 ATM card from them. They were later handed over to Imphal Police Station for further legal action. It's now time for a short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Lengsin bidau meeting tabiyu saruk yabiyu lakliba June gi tang kundagi hauraga July gi tara fawbu pangthokadoriba DS Enterprises Kaisamthong na kudol tamjaba mamang sahida pangthokkibagum handaksu 2nd Imphal International Trade Fair cum Expo 2019 Thau Ground Thangmaibanda pangthok saragani hairiba Trade Fair cum Expo asida mapalamgi haibadi Thailand, Bhutan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangkok, Bangladesh asina chingba country kayagi makhal makha kayagi lighting oiraba stall sing uba fangbiragani Expo asida heavy discount gi facility su pizari amadi Expo asida saruk yabiningba ichilinau singna makhada pizariba contact number asida adomgi pamsaba stall sing athuba matamda book tawbiba yaragani aikoigi contact number 8787556737 natraga 9366900308 Manipur ki ahanba 24/7 cab service oriba lamjingba cab service na miyang gi seba da lejari apamba service khanbiyu economic rate rupees 15 per kilometer standard rate rupees 25 per kilometer luxury rate rupees 55 per kilometer with base fare of rupees 40 Manipur ki district singi maru oina Senapati Ukhrul Churchanpur Kakching More Chandela chingba sing Chananabagisu ataba mamalda book tawbiba yaragani Manipur gi mapan gi lamsing haibadi Guwahati Shillong Dimapur Silchar na chingba sing chananabagisu book tawbiyu loinana luhongba amadi atopa thabak thorom ki damaktasu akhanaba discount pizari hena kupa maro gi damak contact tawbiyu aikhoi gi contact number 1800102795 natraga 8794613154 aikoigi website www.lamjingbacafe.com Manipur University the affiliate tauba South Asian Institute of Rural and Agricultural Management Langjing Achauba Imphal West ki admission tauzari course sing adudi BSc Agriculture BSc Horticulture Bachelor of Business Administration BBA nupa amasung nupi gi hostel gi khudong chaba leijari akaknaba seat kharatani akupa marol gi damak www.sairam.org.in natraga phone number 7641929924 natraga 8258801014 natraga 9612812346 ta contact tawbiu
Nauka Hearing Aid Center Kumja lising ama chawpan marifom doi ki hona chai kuntramanga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ine lereklaba Nauka gi Imphal Center ma hangjare TV ma di phone gi konjel loinana nil khongbu mafam na tabangam da gi awaba mayok na di binaha al kuding mag wabi rogano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic ngasi maklengsin directuna completely invisible water resistant ama di rechargeable oda ba digital hearing aid hapiu tabangam gi pangalwana ba dom gi khangna chana ba single power se tambio ai khoi gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road Phawai Sangmam Laikai near Community Hall mobile number na 6000954159
Welcome back. Help continued to pour in for Ramray village since the boat tragedy struck on April 28, wherein 3 persons drowned during a powerful cyclonic storm. Social worker Karamjit Arambam of Khongampat under Lamsang constituency donated 20 life jackets for Ramray village today. Life jackets were also presented to journalists. Karamjit also assured that from his part efforts will be made to avoid repetition of Ramray tragedy in future.
Salagadi kaygumba khudong thiringai thorakadura haigadi jacket se salong lisalawragadi machi khoi iroiba hai hogdaba singdadi yamna khoi punsi kanbada yamna chawba mateng pangiba life jacket ni machibu matam punamakta season amagi da makta kunja singda laiba khoi tourist singda appeal tawbiyu haina machiju ai thamjage.
Like every year, Raj Medicity North AOC has begun observing the Raj Integrity Week from today. Chairman of the hospital H. Rajan told media persons that every year the month of June and July always experience some sort of disorder or major social or political issues in the state. At such critical time, it is very difficult for the general public to get medical attention in hospitals. He further added, moreover, considering the upcoming June 18 Uprising Day observance, the week-long observance is conducted by the hospital. He also informed that a free medical camp for media persons and the kin will also be held at the hospital on 22nd of this month as part of the Raj Medicity Week.
OPD OPD suma free ni OPD yang fangba finding dugi matungina operation toba daga lebising to kai bobu tobu ya say example when I am na major or case ko tor medium mo se cesarean section to taranga una bo adu bo ko free down se appendix na appendix to even goal bladder bo ko to no plan to adu mai to na free the operation to bo ne ko to adu thangai sing budi investigation na mati medication me am du di isa individual arrangement to bi batar hari pot khase.
As part of security measures, a team of commando personnel, including women police of Thoubal Police Station, led by Additional Superintendent of Police, Law and Order Thoubal Th. Deshorjit, conducted a cordon and search operation from 4:15 a.m. to 6:15 a.m. at Hayai Lobuk, Khangabok. Altogether, 414 individuals were verified during the operation, out of which 4 were picked up by the police team for further verification but were later released on PR bond. During the operation, 2 motorcycles were also seized. On the other hand, a combined team of Khongjom Police Station, Thoubal Police Commando along with women police also conducted search operation at PBS plywood factory located at Wangjing Sabul Chekon. During the search operation conducted around 7:30 a.m. today, the Khongjom Police Station verified 23 women and 4 men. The Jailiarong Students' Union Manipur JSUM has stated that election of the union for the tenure 2019 to 2022 will be held on June 29 at Tarung Community Hall after the Dimki session of all Jailiarong Students' Union, Assam, Manipur and Nagaland. A press statement of the union said today that the June 2nd, an emergency executive meeting of the students' body was held at the conference hall of JSUM office, where former chairman Mika Kame was appointed as election commissioner and former finance secretary as returning officer and former state secretary Achapho as member respectively. It's now time for another short break. Stay tuned.
Gitam University Visakhapatnamda BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital leizaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure: BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to 4th year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility: BSc class 12 pass, physics, chemistry, biology and English 60% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tobiba yagani. Subnataki seat taramanga khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tobirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara. Phone number 60090622261 natraga 87940262277.
Hello.
Hello. Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan toge haradi.
Oh, phau pambi thabiyo.
Okay. Chahi taragi plan toge haradi.
Pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tobugi awaba lehendaba. School du da adum changne na coaching tohonba.
Mama paga chamana na warak watimbi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam gi topper su putokhraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school.
Last pakhong. Kari school no.
Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangni ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
COMET's teaching techniques and tips for exam were very helpful. The teachers are very supportive, which inspired me to do well in my exam. I want to thank COMET for guiding me and supporting me throughout my preparation for the exam. In my opinion, COMET is the best coaching center.
Welcome back. Organization for Integrated Rural Development organized a 4th Academic Excellence Award and 3rd Sports Award Distribution Ceremony 2019 at Ibutho Pakhangba Community Hall, Patsoi today. Around 90 students attended the function. MLA of Patsoi A.K. Mirabai, who attended the function, assured for quality education and free coaching centers for class 10 and 12 students.
High school living certificate examination amadi Bosem Kosem na lauba exam singda mai paglak laba chhatra chhatri hayengi tungi jati gi yungbiren oir kadoriba mayam singase kari gi damakta aikoina organization association amadi tongan ba lekai gi club organization mayamna makoi bu reception tawduna pungning thogat pi.
Lamlai Constituency Youth Development Committee organized a meritorious award distribution function for the first time at Lining Thau Purai Community Hall today. Altogether, 93 students were given the meritorious award sponsored by social worker Achoibam Deben Singh.
Lamlai Kendra se lai haiba masing satra satjing adumating hengkatna ba mogi inwat ama pinaba with family with koi Lamlai Kendra labor parjaji no koi message ama pijabani koi tawrisi hataksina ahan mani basi maru ina pangthoi se akoi gi kano Lamlai Kendra Youth Development Committee na mapung oiraga si pangthok sabani.
More than 2,000 IAS aspirants participated in the IAS scholarship exam conducted by ALS today. ALS, in association with Government of Manipur, conducted a mega scholarship exam across 10 districts in Manipur to select the top 150 candidates to be sponsored under Chief Minister's Scholarship Scheme for Civil Services aspirants. More than 2,000 IAS aspirants participated in the exam in Imphal East, Imphal West, Chandel, Thoubal, Bishnupur, Churachandpur, Kangpokpi, Senapati, Jiribam, Tamenglong and Ukhrul districts. The World Vision India Lumphel West Cluster Level Children Club Football Tournament wrapped up today at the United Friends Library Club Playground, Lamboi Khongnangkhong today. Nawia Pakhanglakpa and Uribok Cluster clashed in the closing match of the tournament held on the theme Play for Peace and Unity. Assam government has announced that the Kalaguru Vishnu Rabha Award 2019 will be conferred on mass artisan Reba Kanta Mahanta and Manipuri dance exponent Laitonjam Ibempisak Devi. The award ceremony will be held at Tashil Maidan in Rongoli area of Golpara district on the occasion of Vishnu Rabha Divas on June 20. The award comprises cash amount of Rs 2 lakh, a certificate and an Angavasta. Now let's have a look at the newspaper headlines.
The Songhai Express. Rival camps meet Ramadov. Biswajit turns down offer of Deputy CM post. AIMS Sabdarsang dogs issue 48-hour deadline. Full court violated alleges Congress. The People's Chronicle. Government ignored overdraft warning, says Gaikhangom. Viren seeks Sitharaman's help to bail out state. Manipur, safest place in country for tourists. Amuko tax tough stand against Government of India's divisive policy. The Sunday Imphal Free Press. Overdraft. Gaikhangam demands high-level inquiry, says BJP government instability has compromised development. Waka villages demand withdrawal of in-principle forest clearance. Agricultural policy a must for farmers' welfare. Hospitals to close OPDs on June 17.
And before we wind up the top stories once again. No plan for change of guard in Bahrain government, says Minister Radhishyam. MPDF questions competence of committee constituted to probe financial irregularities. And many in hill districts do not enjoy benefits of government-sponsored health schemes. Well, that's all for now. Stay tuned to Times of Manipur.